Hey, Captain Jim here with another one of Jim's boating tips. So first of all, you should have some type of sonar on your boat. I've got my Garmin graphs right over here, and they show me the depths. I've also got some charts. We can see that it's 3 feet deep here. I'm heading into Crabby Jay's over here off of Grayslake Road, and a lot of people I've seen on the internet talking lately about, is it okay to go in there? Am I going to get stuck? Am I going to wreck my prop? So one of the important things that you have on your boat, if you don't know what this button is right here, this is your trim button. That takes your motor. If you've got an outboard, you can actually see it going up and down. If you've got an inboard, an IO, that's what I've got. We've got the lower unit hanging outside the boat. I can lift that up. So when I push that button on the up side, that's going to raise it so the prop is not as far down, because I'm watching the depth on my gauge here. So it's going to get a little bit shallow. The other thing that I do, I mean, we're talking chain of lakes here, so is I take a look back and I can see if my prop is stirring up mud. We'll show you, because we probably will. And it's just good to know what you're doing out here on the chain of lakes, because let's face it, Grayslake in a lot of places is only 3 feet deep. Now we're going to post up a link out here also to an app called Navionics. If you don't have the correct graphs on your boat to show you, see, we're down to 2.5 feet deep now. It's going to start getting even shallower, 2.3. So with Navionics, 2.1, I can see what the depth is, the average depth of most lakes. So at least I have some idea where I'm at. It's important to know when you're coming out of a channel, when it's okay to get up on plane. When you take off on your boat and the back end digs down, well, that's going to dig down right into the mud or hit rocks and wreck your boat, your prop, whatever's going on. We're under 2 feet now. So I'm going to start lifting the back end, lifting my motor up. I can look back and I can see I still got clean water going on. It just rained. The water's pretty high. So even at 2 feet deep, I'm not digging any mud. So just keep an eye on things. Be aware. Know what your tools are on your boat. Know what the trim is. Have a good sonar. I can go in here and my sonar, my Garmin unit, also has maps on there. I can get into the home screen and I can go right to charts, zoom in on it, and that's going to tell me the depth, so I can see what the depths are on average. Don't count on that. They go up and down. So know your waterway, know your boat. Have a good time out there boating. We'll see you out there. I'm Jim Starwell, leader of the Star Home Team. That's another one of Jim's boating tips for you.